Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your ChatGPT account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now, to delete your ChatGPT account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see your email address available over here. Simply click on that email address like this, and over here you can see the settings option available. Guys, click on settings, and over here when this panel appears you can see there is the data controls. Click on show, and over here guys you have the delete account button available. Simply click on that delete account first, and over here guys you'll be required to enter your email address like of the ChatGPT account, and after that type in delete, not your password guys, type in delete, and after that this button will be available for you, which is the permanently delete my account. And if you click on that button, your ChatGPT account will be deleted permanently. And there guys, this is how you delete your ChatGPT account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.